Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my newbies. So I hope you stopped by today to check out what I got free from Creative Memories based on a promotion that they had going. I want to show you what I got. You had two different options you could have got, and I'll show you the option that I chose to get. So sorry about my lighting if you can't see. This is you get the option of getting two collections for free, and you know they have these promotions that run periodically, and they have a time frame to purchase the items. And if you spend $150, you can get $81 worth of free items. If you spend $300, you can get 162 items worth of free items. And mind you, as an advisor, I get a discount on anything I purchase as well, so I get money back on anything I buy. So this is one of the free items, which is an album cover, which I love their albums. They have the best albums because they are sturdy. They withstand time, and you can put a lot of pages in here. This one is called Green Jubilee, and it's plain cover, front and back. But one of the things that you can do, even if you win these or earn these, getting these free albums, one of the neat things that you could always do later once you decide what you want to use with this album, because this green can be used for a lot of different, themes. We offer free customizable spines, and see, our spines are removable. You pull them out, but you can get it personalized to say your family name, the year, the function, the event, like family vacation 2022, graduation 2019, whatever, anything you would say, baby John born, whatever. So you can label the album so you see them sitting up on your shelf. You can look at the spines quickly and know what that album is about, particularly if you have more than one of the same color. It's only like $10 to get that done, so take advantage of that if you want to personalize your albums. We also do offer albums that have personalized covers where you can put a picture on the front. I've done that, love it, wonderful thing that you can do. But anyway, so that's the free album that came with that, and that was $28.50 just for that. So this also came with two paper pads, some laser cuts, and a border punch, which both collections came with that. They had different ones. So this one's more of a summery one. The other one was more of a fall one theme. So this is called Walking on Sunshine, and this is a designer paper. So each paper pack comes with 12 sheets, and they're double-sided. So I'm going to show you these. And again, you're not restricted to use this paper for scrapbooking. Think outside the box. Anything you use paper for, you can use this paper for. So hopefully you can kind of see that design. It kind of looks like a wave crashing up. This is looks like the sky with notebook paper laid over top of it. And this reminds me of pressed flowers. Or flowers falling, but they look like pressed flowers to me, if you can see them in the background. And look at that beautiful forest, just the tops of it, that greenery. And that's the 12-pack. These are 6-pack, I'm sorry. And then you have this checks right here. And look at that. Oh, that beautiful yellow. Really gorgeous. So that is very vibrant. It's 12 pieces of paper, but it's 6 designs, excuse me. So that is the Walking on Sunshine, hence the yellow and the pretty colors there. So it looks very alive and summery to me. That's why I got that one, this collection. And then this is the designer paper pack. Number 2 that goes along with it. Another 6 sheets. Again, they look like that, the same color, yellows and greens, but from a different perspective. So this one looks like little sunshines. The sunshines on that. And again, it's 2 of each piece of paper. You got your flowers on the back of that. Your green check, plaid rather. You got your greens and yellows and your oranges in there. You've got your like blue wave. I got your little beachy feel there. I had it upside down, I don't know, with that clouds. And then on the back you got your little flip-flops. Again, it's walking the park, so you have to have something walking in it, right? But I was excited to get all of this for free. And then, so you have the whole collection. You could actually, for somebody who's just starting out, this was a neat way to get an album done. I mean, you got an album and the paper and a border punch. So it's a neat way to get yourself started in actual scrapbooking. Sorry about this sound. These are the laser cuts, which you could even use these. I know that noise is loud, sorry. So you have 3 of these, and you can use this really to design. This is your whole page, your whole layout. All you need to do is put this on the paper and stick some pictures on it. So these are your laser cuts. So it's 3, but they're double-sided because they have different colors on each side, just to match your taste or your preference for the day. So you have it on this side, you can use it this way, or you can flip it over and use it this way. The neat thing about these, it's just like with our recipe templates, you can turn it multiple different ways depending on how your photos are. So it just depends on how you want what you want on top. And it's going to give you a total different look, just as well as which color you want. So that's number 1. And then here is, the second one again. Quick layout, you don't really have to do anything else except put your pictures there. And you have an instant layout. Look at that, you got your flower. You don't have to add anything else. But if you wanted to add a title or journaling block or some additional embellishments, you can. You're not prohibited, but it's done for you quickly and fast. And then that is done from the other side. Nice. So this gives you 3 instant pages that you don't have to think about. And here's another fun one. Look at that. You can see how easy it is just cut your circle, your photos down and put them right there, 4 photos. And I like that. It's not just a 1 or 2 spread of photos. Look at that. So you can choose the colors based on what matches your photos better. Perfect, simple. I love that. So that gives you 3 extra layouts right there that you don't have to design, stress about, or think about. And then last but not least is this nice punch. And these punches are normally $27.50 right here that you get. And I'm telling you, people put this stuff on eBay and they be jacking the prices up, boy. And people pay for them. But this is the punch, and that is what it looks like. Just like that. So it is a bench and 2 trees and some shrubbery. So that is the border punch that comes along with that. And we have, you know, of course it closes up just like that, opens up, has a little notches on it so you can know how to line it up from the center. You want to cut it that way to make it even, so it goes across the 12, goes across the 12 inches, and to make it even lined up. Yeah. So that is what I got for free. I thought that was an awesome deal. I just want to share that with you. So again, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.